there is one way to say what we are doing right now at the moment. For example, me, right now I am standing, right? Or I am teaching. Right now, I am teaching, right? You are sitting, yes. Or you are studying. Good, yeah. You are studying. So, are you aware that there is a difference between how to say I study every day and I am studying now? Is there any difference? What? Ayla, can you tell me? Yes, good. In, right? Verb in, okay? Studying and studying means it is about the present continuous. Present continuous. So present continuous, we use present continuous when we want to tell about our activities right now, that we are doing right now. Okay? I am talking right now. I am talking. Okay? It's different. If I want to say I teach every Saturday, for example, means that it is something that I do over and over again, right? But when I say I am teaching, means the activity is currently ongoing. Present continuous. Yes, this is what Ayla said. Verb plus in. So when you want to say I am eat, is it good enough? I am eat? No. What? How do you say it? I am eating. Yes. Verb means the word that describes your activity. Okay, the thing that you do. For example, do. How to say it in present continuous? Doing. Yes. You only have to put plus in after the verb. What about go? Going. Good. What about wash? Yes. Good. Easy, right? The tricky part is to know when to use simple present or present continuous. Now, Tasca, can you guess? What? Can you guess?
Getting.
Getting. Good. Alika. Taking. Good. Arkan. Having. Yes. Having.